Understanding commas, grammar lesson 1. In this video, we will learn all the rules of commas. We will do practice as well. Let's first discuss objectives. Objectives: by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify, apply, create. Identify the 8 common uses of commas in sentences through guided examples and discussion. Apply comma rules correctly in your own writing. Create original sentences. Part 1. Comma rules. We will discuss all comma rules step by step. If you want to learn all these rules, then watch complete video. Rule 1. Use a comma to separate independent clauses. Use a comma before a coordinating conjunction. Its examples are also shown. Read complete. Rule 2. Use a comma after an introductory clause or phrase. A comma signals the end of an introductory word, phrase or clause and helps reader transition to the main part of the sentences. Its examples are also shown. Rule 3. Use a comma between items in a series. Use a comma to separate 3 or more items in a sentences. Examples are also shown. Rule 4. Use a comma to set off non-essential information. Use a comma to set off extra information that is not necessary to understand the sentence. Examples are also shown. Rule 5. Use a comma to set off appositives. Use commas to separate a noun or phrase that renames another noun. Its examples are also shown. Rule 6. Use a comma to indicate direct address. Use comma to separate the name of a person being spoken to form the reset of the sentence. Its examples are also shown. Rule 7. Use a comma in dates, addresses and titles. Use a comma in writing dates, addresses and titles. Its examples are also shown. Rule 8. Use a comma to set off quotations. Place a comma before a quotation or to separate the dialogue tag. Read these examples as well. We learn all the rules. Now part 2. Practice exercises. First you will practice and then see the results. Are you ready for practice exercises? If you are ready, then let's start. Directions. Use the commas on the following pages and determine whether the commas are used correctly. For each sentences, choose if the commas are used correctly or incorrectly. If the commas are used incorrectly, rewrite the sentences with the correct comma placement and identify. Example 1. My friend Farah is coming to visit tomorrow. Explanation of this example is also provided in this video. Let's see example 1 explanation. This example is incorrect. There is a second comma missing. For the positive Sarah, we need to What we learned from Rule 5. And correct sentences. List of examples are provided in this video and their explanations is as well provided. Watch complete video and do practice.